Was heaven on earth, where Flint River washes that red Georgia dirt. The sun sets full and the stars shine bright. We raised cotton and corn, a little cane and kids. You either lived on a farm or wished you did. Jesus always walked close by our side. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. There's a lot about life we learned on the bus. How to lie, how to fight, how to kiss, how to cuss. The closer we sat to the back, the smarter we got. We were poor, we were ugly, we were all best friends. While I baptized and still want to sin. Thank God we get more than just one shot. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. Everybody, well that's us, hauling hay in the field with a radio on. That's us, heading straight into town when the work was done. In my mind, I can still see us now, riding down Buck Island Road. It wasn't that long ago. We thought tobacco and beer and a can was all it would take to be like our old man. Then I saw how it made my mama cry. It was hunting and fishing and football games, and then it was girls, and everything changed. Falling in and out of love, we rode in trucks. Come on! That's us with our tailgates down in the parking lot. That's us with mud on our tires when it rained a lot. In my mind, I can still see us now, riding down Buck Island Road. It wasn't that long ago. It's a part of my soul, yeah. It's a part of my soul. Down where I was born was heaven on earth, where Flint River washes that red Georgia dirt. The sun sets full and the stars shine bright. Where I grew up, we put a 10-inch lift kit on them and jacked them way on up. We went riding some of them Bibb County back roads with a little whiskey, blaring some Jason Aldean in a Dixie cup. And we rode